If you want to learn how to invest in real estate, flip properties, wholesale, do rentals, whatever it is, Believe the Investment Group is what you need to join, because you're going to make your money back tenfold.
I like that hands-on experience, getting to ask questions, finding out what you can get work done for, I think has been probably my biggest takeaway, like the cost savings, because that translates into profit.
Not just putting hands on the house, contractors and ways to close the deal and how to list it.
All the things we've learned, networking, team building, and the resources are just unbelievable.
We both really enjoyed the ride-alongs, but we also liked the Saturday class sessions as well. Then we got to see everyone, talk to everyone, network, and we also had some really good mentors come in as well and speak to us.
For anybody who's considering real estate, has thought about real estate, but doesn't know how to get started, I think joining Believe Investment Group, that's going to be your best bet. You got to take a leap of faith, and you got to do it now.